All right, everyone. Welcome to the live show. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Who is here with me? Let's do it again today, okay? It's another new week. It's another new month, right? And all we're looking for is actually possible, areas where we can take trades to the upside. All right. So if you're joining me live on YouTube, you're welcome. For those of you on the Zoom, you're equally welcome. All right. I told us last week to be more bullish. All right. I told us last week to be looking for long setups and all of that. Okay. And then that actually played out over the weekend. All right. So, okay. So just give me a moment. Let me try to fix something here. Okay, yeah. So guys, if you're just joining up, you're welcome. Okay. So all you need to do as usual, all right. If there is any token actually you want to trade, you want to look at, okay, you can go ahead and just leave it on the comment section. And don't forget to like the video, guys. And if you're not on the Telegram already, use the links in the video description to join the Telegram group. All right. So I told us last week, I think we had a stream on Friday that we should be looking for more setup to the upside, right? And that plays out very well during the weekend. So if you were always opening long trades and all of that, I believe in one way or the other, it will always profit you and so on. Okay. So currently I'm looking at the OG and USDT token. But before we go on, guys, if we go to this other chart here, you see this is USDT dominant, all right? And as usual, all right, whenever the USDT dominant is down, okay, it always boosts the movement on Bitcoin and all of that. And if I come in here to this, my setup here, and I still go to that USDT dominant, you can see that currently we are breaking below, okay, this level here. So we are breaking below that level of 7.8%. All right. So if we continue to come down on the USDT dominant, then I can see us going to around that 6.84% level. And going down to that level means that BTC can actually get back up to maybe around 30,000, okay, or even 40,000 as the case may be. So in as much as the USDT, as you can see on my trend, dashboard here, okay, on all the time frame, all right, on all the time frame, the bearish sentiment here is very high, all right? You see that 1 hour is bearish, okay, 4 hours bearish, all to the weekly time frame, it is all bearish, all right? Which is why you are seeing every other token waking up, all right? If I go to BTC right now, you see that my trend dashboard there is showing green light, all right? So everything now is bullish. So whatever you're doing right now, until we start experiencing a rise from that dominant, okay, the USDT dominant, okay, until we start experiencing a rise from here, maybe just like what happened here, okay, we once came back down to that 7.5 level, and then we started going back up again. If we do have another rejection from this level up, okay, let's assume that this is maybe a false breakout and all of that. If we do have a rejection here to the upside, then you can see BTC and every other coin start dumping. Okay, but right now that the USDT is dumping, then kudos to all crypto. So you'll be looking for more of long setup on all of these crypto assets. Okay, so basically, it's not as if you cannot take short, okay, but majorly what I do, I'm going to be scalping the market, looking at certain tokens this morning and all of that. Okay, any of the token I'm looking at, if I see opportunity to go to the take a trade to the downside, I will do that. If I see opportunity to take a trade to the upside, I will do that. But more of long trades, guys. Are we looking for more of long trades, okay, to the upside? All right. So whatever token you want me to look at, just let me know on the chat. Okay. Let me know on the chat. Yeah. Good morning, Barnett. You're welcome to the live show. So whatever token you want me to look at, okay, just let me know on the chat. All right. I have a few tokens in mind this morning, and one of those tokens is LPT. So let me go ahead and pull up that LPT. So for LPT, I still see an opportunity to go to that level of $7 up to $8 level. Okay, I see an opportunity going up for LPT up to that $7 to the $8 level. So my major time frame for this will be on the 5 minutes time frame. Though I'm actually looking at scalping this token. All right. If it is long, we take long. If it is short, we take short, and all of that. But if I come down to this setup you're looking at right now, guys, if I come down to this setup you're looking at, all right, I'm looking at this level, all right, this golden level. This is the Fibonacci retracement 2. These are my, 618 level, and then the 0.66 level or 0.65 level, all right? That's the level I'm looking at. So if if we do actually come back down, all right, if we do actually come back down, if this retraces down to that level, I'm looking at taking a trade at that $6 level to the upside. All right, that's basically what I'm looking at for LPT. And then if from here it moves up to that level of $7 plus, and we'll have another rejection there, then I can take a quick scalp to the downside. And then from here will be my long setup. Okay, so if I'm entering a trade from here, I'll be looking to, take this trade to as high as that $8 level and all of that. All right. That's what I'll be looking at for the LPT token. All right. And then as you can see on my oscillator here, currently we are actually consolidating. So I'll just wait for this to play out. You see that will come down here. I take a trade up. Okay. And then another thing you need to pay attention to, I have a level here. All right. I have a level here. If you love my setup, guys, you can actually check out this indicator. It is a premium indicator, right? And then the indicator doesn't lag. Right? It doesn't repaint, it doesn't lag, okay? So I've been trying it for a while now, and then I decided to do it but make it public because that's actually been benefiting me a lot when it comes to taking trade. All the signals you see are in real time and all of that, all right? And then, so if you want, you can check out the indicator. I think it's around $60 per month or so. If you have 1,500, you can pay for a lifetime and all of that. But the indicator is actually good, all right? The indicator is actually good. That's the indicator I'm using. Okay, so check out the link in the video description if you can, and then I will help you set it up, all right? Please check Loom, all right? Joanne, let me... Jonas, sorry, let me look at Loom. Let me look at the Loom token. Also with Loom. What are you looking at for the Loom token right now? Okay, so Loom USDT. Let's see what we have on Loom this morning. Okay, so let me look at the 1 hour time frame and see what we have on Loom. So I have a lot of, that was when I was trading Loom and all of that. This all played out, but all of a sudden, Loom, except for the weekly time frame, we're very bearish on Loom. As you can see here, we just break below this trend line that I drew here, right? So this trend line that I took from as low as September 23rd, all right? We just broke below that trend line there. Okay, we just broke below that trend line. So possible area, this is on the 1 hour time frame, okay? Possible scenario that I'm looking at for Loom is Loom can actually, maybe come for a retest, okay? Could come for a retest somewhere around here, for instance, or even to that, golden level here, right? This golden pocket level here, these two lines you see here, all of these are actually implemented into that indicator, okay? All of these things you see here, instead of you spotting them yourself and drawing them yourself, okay, it is actually implemented into this indicator that I'm using. So basically what I'm waiting for is I don't want Loom to break above this trend line, okay? So for Jonah, if you want to trade Loom, what I'm looking at for, I don't want Loom to come, okay, break above this trend line. But if it does, then pay attention to this golden pocket level, right? Pay attention to this golden pocket level. That could be a good area to start taking trades to the downside. So as always, my time frame is on the 5 minutes time frame. So if I come down to that 5 minutes time frame level, all right? So basically what I'm looking at for Loom, let me go ahead and zoom out so that you see. And as you can see on my trend dashboard, everything is bearish, okay, except for the weekly time frame, okay? Everything is bearish. So for Loom on the lower time frame here, the retest has already happened, but waiting for this on the 1 hour time frame, I'll just see if Loom can actually come back and then reject from that trend line. Then you can start taking trades to the downside. Okay, that's basically what I'll be looking at. Currently, I'm not trading. Loom is not on my watch list, so I'm not trading Loom. But this is what I will do if I'm to look at Loom, okay? This is what I will do because since we're bearish, all I need to look for, okay, is just a trade to the downside and all of that, okay? A trade to the downside and all of that. So wait for this to pull back up to that level of 13 cents and all of that. Okay, even up to 14 cents or thereabout, you take a trade to the downside. And if you are looking at the higher time frame, then look at that level, okay, that my golden level there, which I just highlighted right now. And if I come up here, you see that level there at 14, 15 cents, okay, 14, 15 cents. If you do get back to that level, you definitely want to take a short trade. That is, if you're looking at the 1 hour time frame, that's what I personally will be, looking at, okay. And then for OP, let's look at OP and look at, what we can see on OP currently. OP. Okay, so OP actually came back down to this level. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so currently we are trading above these levels here. And for a pullback, okay, for a pullback, you want to pay attention to that 618 level, okay? For a pullback, you want to pay attention to that 618 level. You can see my trend bar here, okay, my trend dashboard here. Everything is bullish, all right? Everything here is bullish and all of that. So if we continue to move up, right? If we continue to go up, let me even switch this to the normal candle so that, I like using the Heikanaishi candle and all of that. So it's almost the same thing, all right? The same thing you're seeing here. So from here, if we continue to move up to the upside, then you should be looking to take long trades from here. But I want to see this actually, come pull back down a bit, maybe to this level of 1.40, okay? 1.40. I doubt if we can actually get down to that 1.31 again, except if we see the opposite in the market that everything start dumping and all of that. But 1.40 and all of that, I'll be looking to take trades to the upside. So if I go to the 5 minutes time frame and all of that, what I should be looking at for this, for OP, okay, wait for a rejection at this level, guys. Wait for this rejection at this level. As you can see, my oscillator is currently up there, but the volume is still, blue, all right? So once we see a signal here, you always see a signal that will print, okay, to sell here, and then I get a ping here. I'm going to take a trade. So I'll put OP on my watch list, and then I want to take a trade on the 1 hour time frame, okay? You can do a quick scalp on the 5 minutes and all of that, which is what I personally use these indicators for. Okay, you can do a quick scalp on the 1 minute time frame, which is what I use the indicator for. But on a higher time frame, I'll be looking to short OP if we do get up to, if I do get a signal to do that. Okay, already the rejection started happening at that 1.4 and all of that. But if I do get a signal here to short, I'll be looking to short OP at around this level. All right, so my short setup will be here, somewhere around there. Okay, and you got to put, use a very tight stop loss so that you don't get taken out of the market, guys. All right, but if we continue to move up, I'll be looking to, short, long, and all of that. So around that 1.45, 1.43, I should be looking to short OP anywhere around that zone. Okay, for OP, look for more of a short trade to the downside. Okay, for a quick scalp. But if we do retrace back to that level of 1.3, 140 and all of that, 1.33, 1.40 and all of that, you should be looking to take a trade to the upside. Okay, so for OP, I'll be looking to take more of trades to the upside than the downside. But for a quick scalp, you can actually take a trade while this is going down to that level. But here, all right, at 1.33, 1.40, 1.35, those are levels you can be looking to take trades to the upside. Okay, and then I currently have a setup for Sol. Okay, I currently have a setup for Sol. Let's look at Sol USDT and see what we can do there. I currently have a setup for Sol, and that is a long setup. Okay, so I want to see Sol. I can even go ahead and enter a short trade for Solana right now, guys. Okay, I'm going to take a short trade for Sol right now, guys. All right, so I'm taking a short trade for Sol right now. Let's see how this will play out. Okay, so I can enter right now for Sol for a short trade. I'll enter with just market order around that area, and then put my stop loss slightly above that zone there, and see how I can trail this market down. But I'm still looking at taking trades at around this level of 21. Okay, even down to this level of $21. Okay, 21.5 and all of that. So, but I'm taking a quick shot for Solana right now. Okay, I'm taking a quick shot for Solana, and put your stop loss just slightly above in case the market actually goes against you. So let me quickly set up that, and let's see how it plays out. All right, let me do that using my desktop, guys. Okay, so whatever token you're looking at, just let me know on the chat and I'll definitely look at that for you. But right now I'm entering a short. Okay, what I can do now is to just ladder, into this trade. Maybe I have it set up here with market order, and then I have another pending order here to short at 24.6 or 24.7, and then I'll continue to trail that market down. Okay, so that's basically what I'll be doing. All right, I'll have like 2-3 setup to limit setup. Okay, limit order to take trades to the downside for Solana. Okay, so on my first trade here will be with market order, guys. Mentoring with market order. Yeah. So let's do that and see how it goes. Okay, so let me change this to 25x and isolated. 25. All right, so I just entered that trade and then set up some limit order, like 3 different limit orders, okay, to short. If we do get to a particular level there and all of that, all right? So that's basically what I've done for Sol. Let's see how that will play out, all right? And then what I'm basically my long-term trade, okay, for Solana is if we do get back down to that level of $21, okay, I'm going to be longing Sol, all right? I'm going to be taking a long for Sol. So do pay attention to, to the dominance as well. Okay, let's see how today ends up and all of that, guys. Smash that like button for me. Okay, smash that like button. I'm on a short trade currently for Solana. Let's see how that goes. Then for LPT, okay, let's look at LPT and see what will happen. LPT. I thought I look at LPT already. USDT. Let's see. For LPT, yeah, I'm waiting for LPT to come down to that level, guys. Okay, this is the level where I want to take a trade to the to the upside. Okay, so I'm waiting for LPT to come anywhere around this area, guys. Okay, anywhere around this area. All right, I'll be taking trades to the upside. And as always, okay, I'm hoping that LPT will revert from this $6 level or $6.1 level and all of that to the upside, which is where I'm looking at LPT getting down to, and I'll take a trade to the upside. But if it doesn't, I equally have another level here, okay, at that $5.6 level, right? This resistance somewhere around there, which as you see, we broke above that and then we started going up to as high as that $7 level. So if we do come back to this level, I'm taking a trade. This is my golden pocket level, which is what I'm paying attention to. I have a golden pocket level on the 1 hour and then that of the 4 hours. So all of these aligned together, right? Which is a good confluence for me to actually start looking for long trades from here to the upside. So for LPT, look at that 6.01, okay, 6.02 up to that level of 6.1, okay, 6.1 to start taking trades to the upside. That's basically what I'm looking at for LPT. So if we get that there, I'm taking trade. And as always, okay, I will take a trade here. Though my stop loss will be here, but I'm not going to set that stop loss. Okay, I will place like 3 different limit orders in case this actually continues to go down. Then this next level here will be where I will take my last trade, and then maybe my stop loss will be somewhere down there. All right, so that's basically how I do this. This stuff. So what I'm looking at for LPT, let it come down here and I'll take a trade to the upside. If not, for me to look for a short trade, it means that LPT will need to go back up to this level. All right. If it goes back up to that level of $7 or thereabout, I'll be taking short trades. That is if I see the sign to do that. But if not, I'll wait for it to gradually come down here. Okay. Maybe have a bounce here and then we'll take a trade to the upside and we can start trailing this to until maybe when LPT gets to $8, except when we get stopped out. Okay. Except when we get stopped out. And whenever you enter a trade and you're in profit, guys, okay, form a habit of always doing what? Okay, form a habit of always doing what? Securing your profit by moving your stop loss, okay, to entry. Okay, always secure your habit by moving stop loss to entry and all of that. All right. So let's see. Let's see how everything plays out. All right. So yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at for the LPT token. All right. So for is that as monster or whatever? Okay, that's what I'm looking at for LPT. Okay, so if you want to trade LPT, that is personally what I'll be looking at for. All right, that's personally what I'll be looking at for LPT. Okay, another token that I would love to actually look at this morning is is Blue. All right, Blue USDT. Let's look at that and see what we have there. So Blue has been doing, let's actually see here. Yeah, currently we are at that 19 cent level. We rejected at almost, 20 cent at 19.1970 or so. Okay, so for Blue, let's see if we can come back down to this level of 0.15. Okay, what I want to see play out here is let this gradually come back down. Maybe here we reject here or even at that golden pocket level. Okay, that's where I'll be looking to take a long trade. And remember, I'm doing this on the 5 minutes time frame, guys. I'm doing this on the 5 minutes time frame. But these support and resistance levels you are seeing on the chart here are based on the 1 hour time frame. That's what I've set it to. Okay, as you can see here, is labeled the 1 hour resistance, 1 hour support, 1 hour resistance, and all of that. So they are all labeled clearly there. So for Blue, I'll be looking to take a long trade at this level of 0.185184. Okay, 185,184. And as you can see, my trend dashboard, everything is green light, right? Everything is green light. So yeah, I'll be looking for more of long setup from these levels, okay, down to up to that level there, or even up to that 20 cent level. All right. So that's what I personally be looking at for Blue. If this actually gradually comes down here, I'll be taking trades to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. Okay, wait for the pullback. All right, we already missed this, so wait for that pullback to continue to go, okay, down, and then we continue to trail that market, guys. Wait for that pullback, guys. All right, wait for that pullback. Let's continue to pull back that to that level, then we can take trades from there to the upside. That's what I personally will be looking at for Blue, okay? That's what I'll be looking at for Blue. The same thing with OP, let it pull back, okay? Let that pullback happen, and then you take a trade from there to the upside. Okay, and then for Ruin, let's look at Ruin. But before Ruin, let me look at this AKRO stuff. Okay, AKRO USDT. Let's look at what was possible with that token, guys. Let's look at what's possible with that. Look at that. Look at that. This just started, yeah, we broke above that level. I missed this, guys. I missed this. But I see a short. Let me check. I just got a signal, guys. We already rejected massively on this token, right? So we're almost there at that 0.73 level, and then it started rejecting massively, guys. It started rejecting massively. If you look at the higher time frame, okay, we are still in a good chance to actually take long trades to the upside. All right, you see that on the oscillator here, it just printed a green candle. Okay, it just printed a green candle, and then we got a buy signal here. All right, a buy signal there, and then we just printed a green candle. So this could be an opportunity to actually take trades to the long time, to the upside. Okay, so we can be targeting that level of 0.009, 0.007, and all of that. So yeah, that pullback that is happening right now, we can go ahead. Okay, yeah. Let me minimize this. Okay, so what we want to wait for right now, if I go back to my 5 minutes time frame, I'll wait for the pullback to happen and I'll take a trade to the upside. Okay, I'll wait for the pullback to happen and I'll take a trade to the upside. All right. So let's not rush into this. Don't rush into this yet. Don't rush into this yet, because even if you do, we have a support, okay, somewhere at a resistance up there, okay? I see this going back up there, but we need to wait for a pullback and then we'll take a trade to the upside, guys. We need to wait for a pullback and take a trade to the upside. This is based on the 4 hours time, 1 hour and 5 frame. I'm not sure if we do get back to that level, but if we do get down here at that 0.64 level, then it could be a good area to take a trade to the upside. Okay, but as it is right now, see this trade pulling back down, right? I see, you know, a pullback on this token before it start going up, right? Maybe something like this will come here, okay? So anything around this area of 0.0065 or down to that level of 0.006463, be looking to take a trade to the upside. Okay, as you can see on the 8 hours time frame, on the higher time frame, okay, we just printed a signal to go long. So you don't rush into it right now, okay? Don't rush into it. We just wait for a pullback, and then that's where we can be taking trade to the upside. So for this token, I'm going to pay attention to this, all right? I'll add this up to my watch list. Is equally the token that I should be trading today. So I'll add it up to my watch list and be looking for long setup for this particular token. All right. Wait for a pullback. I'm on the 5 minutes time frame. I'll be looking to enter this trade on that 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So wait for a pullback and then we'll take that trade to the upside. Okay. Wait for a pullback. We'll take trades to the upside. I'm not sure where the pullback will happen to, but you know, I'm actually going to wait patiently for this to happen, guys. Okay, so I have a support right here. If we do pull back down to that level, fine, or down to that level of 0.0063, those are the areas where I'll be looking to take a long trade, okay? Those are the areas where I'll be looking to take a long trade. So let this happen, and then we'll go ahead and take a trade to the upside, okay? Let this happen, and then we'll go ahead and take a trade to the upside. And if we look at, you know, this oscillator here is actually printing a bearish divergence, okay? But we are not going to, even if I'm to short this trade, okay? I'm not going to enter any trade here because you can see my candles here, okay? The volume candles here are still very, you know, bullish. All right. Even when we are printing a bearish divergence here, it means that I need to wait for a signal, okay, on this ribbon here. I need to wait for a signal to sell on this ribbon. And then I need to see my first green and red candle, okay, printed on this green bar that you're looking at, okay? Then before I can actually go ahead and take a trade. All right. That's basically what I'll be looking at for this token. All right. So wait for that to happen and all of that. And then we'll go ahead and take a short trade to the downside. Okay, that's what I personally will be looking at for. So let's see how that will play out, guys. Let's see how that will play out. All right, let's see how that will play out. Okay, so yeah, what other token do you want me to look at, guys? What other token? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, put it on the chat. What other token do you want me to look at? All right, this token is on my watch list, so I'll pay attention to that and see how you know, I can take a short trade if I see they get the signal to do that, and then take a long trade from here. Okay, yeah, so let's see how this will play out, guys. Let's see how this will play out. I'll wait patiently for this to give me a ping, and then I'll take a short trade. Okay, wait patiently for it to give me a ping, and I'll take a short trade, guys. All right, so yeah, that's what I'll be looking at for this token. Which other token do you want me to look at? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Any token at all you want me to look at, let me know in the comment section, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, and then this month I'll be doing this like almost every day, except for weekends. Okay, except for weekends, I'll be doing this almost every day. And then I have a journal where I can be documenting all the trades that I've taken, the ones that are winning trades, the ones that are losing trade, why did I lose, and all of that. I will document all of them, and let's see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, Sol is running in profit, but if you do go back up to around 24.7, I'm ready to add to my position. Okay, if you do go up to that 27.7, I'm ready to add to my position and all of that. All right, so let's see how the Solana stuff will play out, guys. I'm looking at Sol coming down to around $22 level. Let's see. Okay, to around $22. Let me see how possible that can be. And then from that $22, $21 level, yeah, I'll be looking to take a long, you know, take a trade to the upside, okay? Sol at 22. Okay, well, it's possible actually, but I'm looking at this area of 22.4. It's possible, but I'm looking at this area, so my long setup will be from down there to the upside. That's what I personally will be looking at for SOL. But let's see how the short trade plays out, okay? Let's see how the short trade plays out. And then the next token will be this one here called the, what's the name of this token again? And what's that token I just saw now? Yeah, WU is actually WU USDT. WU USDT. What are you guys looking at? Okay, it's Monday and all of that. It's Monday and all of that, guys. Okay, yeah, I see a lot of requests here. We have Ape. Okay, we have requests for Ape. Okay, OP going long. OP, we just looked at that, right? I'm not sure if it has triggered already. If you are going long, well, it depends on what you're looking for. Okay, so for WU, okay, WU, if I look at higher time frame, guys, WU is currently at that resistance level, right? WU is currently at that resistance level on the higher time frame. WU is currently at that resistance level, guys. So be looking for a quick shot. But if you do break above this level, then you see WU going up to as high as $19 and all of that, even up to 20 cents and all of that. Okay. So if I go back to my 5 minutes time frame for WU, I'll be looking for a pullback, guys. Okay, I'll be looking for a pullback, a quick trade to the downside. Currently here we are, below, but I'll be looking for a quick trade to the downside for WU. And then my long setup will be at that 17-cent level, right? If we do get back down to that 17-cent level, I'll be looking to take quick trades to the upside at that 17-cent. Okay, that's what I'll be looking at for WU and all of that. Then let me check the OP and see what you actually meant. OP USDT. For OP, are you going long already? Sorry. Yeah, for OP, my long setup, okay, I'm waiting for a pullback, all right? I'm going to wait for a pullback for OP, and I'll take a long trade to the upside, okay? I'm waiting for a pullback for OP, but for that pullback to happen, I need to see this start coming down, all right? I need to see this start coming down. Don't just jump into a long trade right now, guys. Don't just jump into a long trade. Okay, but if you want to ladder into that trade, you can start, setting limit orders to buy as it continues to go down. But I'll wait for a pullback for OP, wait for a pullback, okay, and then I'll take a long trade to the upside. The only levels that will not fail you most of the time, okay, 90% of the time will be those levels, those golden levels of my indicators or my Fibonacci retracement tool, which has been automatically detected here. Okay, so I'll just wait for a pullback for OP, and if that pullback start happening, then I'm going to short and all of that, which is why you saw this here. Okay, I'm not in any trade on OP right now, but I'm just waiting. Okay, I'm just going to wait for this to happen, and you can be looking for short trade from down there and all of that. But for OP, I'll take long trade if we do get back to as low as 1.40, 1.35, and all of that. Okay, so another token we need to look at is Ape. Let's look at Ape USDT. Ape USDT. Okay, so Ape is already pulling back down. Okay, so for Ape, be looking for a long trade. Okay, based on the 1 hour time frame and all of that. As you can see, this indicator has spotted a level here for me at that 1.22, 1.23, 1.22, 1.23, right? Yeah, 1.231. Okay, so for Ape, let it come back down and reject at this area, guys. I want to see that rejection happen here. This is where I'll be taking a long trade for Ape to the upside. Okay, that's where I'll be taking a long trade for Ape to the upside, guys. All right, let me see if I can, add that to my favorites and see for Ape. All right, so add this to my favorite and then wait for that to play out, okay? Let me add that to my watch list and wait for it to play out, guys. So if you want to trade Ape, that's what I personally be looking at. Let it, come back down to that level and then we'll take a trade to the upside. That's basically what I'm looking at, guys. Okay, for Ape USDT, that's what I'm looking at for Ape. And the next token I have on the chat here is Telegram group. I'll send the link so that you can join. The link is actually in the video description. If you just click on show more, okay, you can see the link in the video description. You can see the links to the indicators that I'm using. All right. The reason why I love this indicator is that, is with zero lag. All right. Though the indicator is quite on the high side, but it's worth it actually. It's actually worth it. Okay. So indicator is around 59 dollars a month. It's $59 a month and then 1,500 for a lifetime. All right. And you get access to a lot of things. So check out the link in the video description for that indicator if you want to. But let me equally send the link for Telegram. Okay. Let me send the Telegram link and so you can join Telegram using this link on the chat. That's the link to join the Telegram. So yeah, Abe, let it come back down. You can set a limit order for this, okay? You can set a limit order for that to, take a trade to the downside. For Abe, yeah, that's what I'm looking at, okay? Ezekiel, that's basically what I'm looking at for Abe, okay? Yeah. So I just checked OP. I have some help concerning my bybit, but I think I'll ask you the question on Telegram when you are done with the lecture. It's all right, Daniel. Okay, Daniel just send me. By the way, if you don't have a Bybit account, all right, or if you want to start trading, supporting us by trading with our link, you want to migrate your Bybit account to our link, okay, use the link in the video description, guys. Use the link in the video description. That's the only way you support us for stuff we do here every day. All right, sign up for a Bybit account, fund the account, and then I get you added to my Telegram, my WhatsApp group where we do trainings almost every day and all of that. Okay. Yeah, so that's basically it. And then quickly, let me just share my screen and show you, how to access all of the links that I've mentioned here. So if I go ahead and share my browser, where is that browser? Where's which one am I sharing? This one? Yeah. Okay, so if you can see my screen right now, guys, right? If you can see my screen right now, this is the browser that I'm looking at. Okay, this is the YouTube video you're watching. So just scroll down there and go to, guys, give me a like on this, okay? Give me a like, just click that like button, all right? For the YouTube algorithm, okay? Just give me a like on that, guys. So click on show more. And once you click on show more, you'll see a link to sign up for Bybit. You'll see a link to join the Telegram there, okay? And then the indicator setup that I have here, right? This is one of my favorite indicators. It is a premium indicator, okay? It is not free. It is paid indicator. You subscribe for it for $59 a month. But the good thing about the indicator, both the indicator itself and the oscillator here is that it doesn't lag, all right? And then it doesn't repaint. That is what actually means, okay? It's in real time and all of that, okay? You see all this bullish, bearish divergence, everything, on the chart, all right? You get this buy and sell signals, and then you get this Fibonacci retracement tool, okay, on the golden level plotted automatically for you, okay? You can use trend lines, you can use moving averages. All of these are all embedded into this indicator. So if you want that, you can go ahead and subscribe for that. And then if you want to join a platform, this is around $200 per month, okay, where you get signals, you get mentorship and all of that. Okay, you can go ahead and subscribe for that. So yeah, trading view account there, everything, right? All the links you need are all in the video description. So go ahead and sign up for any of those links and then contact me for assistance and all of that. All right. So basically that is it. Let me go back to my trading view and yeah, for Ape, I'll still wait for that to play out, okay? For Ape, I'll still wait for this to play out, and then we'll get down to that level, I'll be taking trade to the upside. All right. So that is what I'm looking at for Ape. So what other token again do you want me to look at, guys? What other token do you want me to look at? Give that video a like, all right? smash that like button, guys. Smash that like button. If you love what we are doing here, smash that like button. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, thank you for your support. I do appreciate. And Daniel, you can go ahead and send me a message after now and all of that. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm basically looking at for Abe and for Soul. So guys, one thing I need to let you know, okay, this fact that we do analyze all these tokens, just pick one particular token and stick to it. Okay, pick one particular token, stick to it. Get to understand how those move. All right. And I bet token will give you enough trade to earn a living rather than just jumping from one token to another, one signal to another, and all of that. Okay. All right. So just pick one particular token as a beginner, most especially. Okay. As a beginner, you don't need to trade all the cryptocurrencies in the market. If you see signal for this, you take. You see signal for that, you take. You see signal for this, you take. It will not even help you understand the particular token you are trading. It will not even help you understand when to maybe to understand the movement in that particular token and all of that, all right? So at most, just have 3 tokens on your watch list and always patiently wait for your levels to play out, right? Don't because you did not have any trade or today or any signal today, you start killing yourself. It doesn't make sense that way, okay? You must not trade every day. If you continue to trade every day, you continue to lose money and all of that. So pick few tokens, at most 3 tokens, all right? Pick 3 tokens, get used to those tokens, okay? Understand how it moves. Look at it every day. Whenever it hits your level, take a trade. When it hits your level, take a trade. When it hits your level, take a trade. And I bet you, all right, this will make you more money than just trading every token you see in the market. All right. So I'm on live, but it doesn't mean that if you say look at Ape, I'll trade Ape. If you say look at OP, I'll trade OP. I can analyze all the tokens for you, but I have few tokens that I've made up my mind today that I'm going to trade. Okay. And if those tokens give me set up today, I take them. If they don't, I will wait. Tomorrow is another day, guys. All right. If I don't have another setup, even if it is 2 or 3 times a week, I trade. All right. And I make good profit and all of that. Why kill yourself every day? Why kill yourself to, always trade and all of that? Why kill yourself? You must not trade every day, guys. You must not trade every day. All right. So for Abe, all right, I'll wait for this. Let it come back down to that level. I'm not going to rush into this. All right. So I'll wait gradually for this to, gradually come back down to this level. Then we can start taking trades to the upside. That's basically what I would do. All right. That's basically what I would do for this token, right? Okay. Yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining me here. And thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the like. I do appreciate it. All right. It means a lot to me, guys. It means a lot to me. This guy that is always typing LPT. What exactly do you want me to do? I've given you setup for LPT. What exactly are you doing on LPT? Let me know, please. Okay, let me know. Yeah, nice tutorial. Wish you can do Android phone, do this machine sometimes. Well, this is a live trading, okay? I cannot be analyzing the market using a phone. When I have a system where I can analyze the market, all right? It's like saying that I'm living in Banana Island, then I would prefer to come to the mainland and live. It doesn't make sense, okay? It doesn't make sense. I have tutorials on how to use your phones and all of that. Mine is do the analysis here. I give you the signals. You can go on phone and take the phone and take the trades, okay? Is it hard to take the trades that you're having problem with, or what exactly are you looking at? All right, I cannot be doing my analysis on a phone. It doesn't make sense to me. But once I've set up this, okay, it is linked up to my phone already. I can just open up my phone and check and see, all right? But the main analysis to see clearer would be on a larger screen like this, all right? Is it hard to take the trades that you want, or what exactly? If it is the analysis, I can't do that on phone, okay? I cannot do that on phone when I have a laptop to do that. All right. But I do have tutorials on how to use TradingView. I have tutorials on how to trade on your phone. Okay. For any of the exchanges you are looking at. Okay. I have tutorials on phones, how to use that on all of that. Check out the channel and you'll see all of those videos. Let me know the exchange. I'll personally send you the video and stuff like that. But for this daily trading analysis system, okay, it has to be on the system. I cannot start zooming in and out on my phone. All right. Even if I have a tablet, I'll prefer the system. All right, for faith, I believe, yeah, that's basically it, okay? So yours is just to, for instance, I've given you a setup for Ape. All you just need to do is to go to your exchange, okay, open up the app and then enter your entry at that 1.23 level. okay, a limit order at 1.23 level, so that when this market finally gets down to that level, your trade will automatically be triggered. All right. And then once the trade is triggered, it continues to go in profit. All you just need to do is to come back and adjust your entry, okay, your stop loss to entry, and continue to trail that market. And then if it gets up to this level, you want to adjust your stop loss, okay, to that level to secure some profit for yourself, so that even if the trade now goes against you, you'll still be ending, you know, that trade with some profit, all right, with some profit and all of that. So yeah, that's basically it. But for tutorials on how to use your phone, I have a lot of tutorials on that. Okay. Yeah, for those of you who sign up with my Bybit link, okay, do send me a message on WhatsApp if you have verified your account, you've made a deposit into your Bybit account. Okay, send me a message on WhatsApp. All right, I'll make a post on the channel, on Telegram. Send me a message on WhatsApp. All right, and I'll get you added to the group. I'm having a meeting by 8 p.m. today with all of those, okay, where I get to answer all their questions, share my trading strategies with them and all of that. So just sign up for a Bybit account, fund your account, and then let me know, and you get added to the WhatsApp group, and then we can be trading. You can even join me live every day, okay? I'm streaming this via Zoom and all of that. So you can join me live, ask questions, or even share your screen, share your thoughts as well for others to learn from it. So yeah, that's the benefit of, you know, just signing up with my links and all of that. All right, so guys, smash that like button, smash that like button. So for, which other token again are we looking at, guys? Which other token again are we looking at? Okay. So let's see. And be careful with all these short trades, okay? Be careful with those of you who always love entering shorts and all of that. I've told you, all right, for as long as the USDT dominant is still down, all right, be looking for more of long setup, guys. For as long as the USDT dominant is still down, be looking for more of long setups. All right. So yeah. So LPT, for you who is asking LPT, I've given you a set for LPT, so I don't know why you keep insisting LPT. Are you falling in love with LPT? Or did LPT pay you to promote their platform or their token? Okay, yeah, I'm still waiting, all right? I'm still waiting for LPT patiently. Remember, I'm doing this on the 5 minutes time frame, right? So on the 5 minutes time frame, LPT is between this area here, and then I have a support area down there at 5.6. I have resistance at that $7 level. Okay, so I can't just start rushing into trades right now, guys. I wait for LPT. That will come up here, reject and take a trade down, or we'll break above this level, I take a trade up, or we come down to this level here. This is the first level I'm looking to take a trade. If this level doesn't hold, okay, if this level here doesn't hold, then I can look at taking a trade down there at that $5 level. But I doubt if this will go down to that $5. So even if it takes the whole week for this to come down here, that's what I'm going to do. All right. I'm not going to rush into any trade here. Though I'm doing this on the 5 minutes time frame, but I'm using my levels on the 1 hour time frame to take my trades. Okay. So is either we'll come up here, reject there, take a trade down, or we come down here, reject here, take a trade up. That's basically what I'll be looking at for LPT. All right. That's personally what I'll be looking at for LPT, guys. That's personally what I'll be looking at for LPT. All right. Okay, I'll check your channel. Just let me know exactly what you want, Faith. Okay, let me know what exactly you want. Is it how to place a trade on your phone? Is that what you're looking for? Or how to do the analysis, majorly the trading view analysis? If it is that, then it's not possible to be doing that live every day on phone. But mine is just to analyze the market for you. Yours is to take the trade. If you know how to take the trade, then you don't need to bother, okay? But you still need to learn how to use trading view so that when we are not live, when you don't get signals, you can look at the chart yourself, okay, and take your trades. All right, you can look at the chart yourself and take your trades. Yeah, yeah, Robinson, you're welcome. Okay, Ruin and Link. Okay, let's look at Ruin. I think I looked at Ruin before, but let's look at it again. For Ruin, what are we looking at? Yeah. Okay, so Ruin is equally, I looked at it before, and my setup will be, I want Ruin to run back down to that level of $2 level. Okay, I'll take a trade to the upside. That is the continuation of the trend, because as you can see on my trend bar here, everything is green, okay? Everything here is green and all of that. So I always look at this, right? And then you see that the strength, okay, you see the strength is, when you have double of these emojis here, it means that the strength is very strong. But if it is just one, it means that the strength, the trend or the strength or whatever is not that strong, okay? So I'll look at this stuff. That is why I'm waiting for this to pull back down, okay? If we do have a pullback, you can see that this level here is actually, lining up with this support level here, okay? We broke that support, retested it, and then went up, okay? Right now, we're using it as resistance. So it was a resistance before we broke it, use it as a support. Right now, we have a resistance here at 2.28, okay? So if we do come back down to that level of that $2 level, I'm taking a trade to the upside. But if we do go up there at that 2.2 or 2.3 and reject again, I'm taking a trade down. That's basically what I'll be looking at for ruin, okay? That's what I'm looking at for foreign. So wait for it to come back to this 1 hour, this golden level here. This is the Fibonacci retracement to this yellow line you see here, okay? It is the golden level, the 0.618 and the 0.65, okay? That's the level you see there. So if we come back to that level, I'm taking a trade to the upside, okay? That's what I'm looking at for ruin. If you want to trade ruin for Robinson, that's what I personally will be looking at for, all right? And then for Link, let's look at what we have on Link. Okay, so and I told you why everything is bullish. Oh, for Link, okay, yeah, Link be looking for a short trade, guys. All right, Link be looking for a short trade. So yeah, for Link, I'm going to place a short. As you can see, except for the daily and the weekly, okay, all of my trend dashboard here from the 1 hour to another 12 hours is all bearish. Okay, so I'll be looking to short Link here, right? So look to short Link from here. All right, and then I'll target this level here, this support level there. Okay, this support level there. Then if we break that level, I'll continue to trail the market to go to that next level down there. All right. So we have a lot of support down there at 7.7 and all of that. Okay. If we break this level here, I'll take it down there. But this is what I'll be looking at. Okay. Wait for this to wick up to that level, and then we'll take a trade to the downside. All right, with your stop loss slightly close, just slightly above that area, because in case we break above this level, then you should be looking at that $8.2 level to short. But for Link, I'm looking at entering a trade here. So I can set a limit order to short Link here and then put my stop loss at that 8.5. Okay. Short Link at $8. That is either 8.1. Okay, you can look at 8.1 for instance. Yeah. You can look at 8.1 for instance, or just 8. Let me just use that 8.096. Okay, I'll set a limit order for Link so that when it gets to that level, if the trade triggers, I'm going to take a trade. Okay, for short, then I'll be looking for long setup once we get to that level of $7.8, $7.7 level and all of that. All right, so for Link, let me set a limit order for that and see how it works. So Link USDT, let's see how that will go. So 8.096, 8.096. Okay, so select your leverage, whatever leverage you want to use, go ahead and do that. So I'm always on isolated mode and I'm doing 10x or 25x, whatever you prefer, go ahead and do that, guys. Then you can go as high as 50x leverage on bybit. Okay, for Link, you can go as high as 50x leverage and all of that. So I'll take a short trade from here, and take profit will be first take profit 7.9. Let's do that. Okay. So we'll do 7.9. That's around 50%, and then our stop loss would be 8.153. Okay, so let's see how that will play out, guys. Let's see how that will play out, all right? Let's see how that will play out. As it for link, if we do shoot up to that level, we'll take a short trace, okay? And it even at 8.1, 8.2 is still a good area to, short link, all right? That's basically what I'll be looking at for link. Robinson, that's what I'll be looking at for link, okay? And what is? MTL, let's see, MTL USDT. For MTL, okay, I'm not going to say enter a short right now until maybe we break below this level. Anything below 1.30 or 1.32 will be a good area to take a short trade for MTL. Okay. So MTL, just put it on your watch list and pay attention to it. 1.32, okay, 1.32 will be a good area to take a short trade for MTL. 1.32, but remember that my indicator here is showing green light everywhere, okay? So 1.32 will be a good area to take a trade. And for my long setup, okay, I'll wait for this to come back down to this level down there, if possible, and I'll be taking long trades from there, okay? I'll be taking long trades from here to the upside, guys. I'll be taking long trades from here to the upside. That's basically what I'll be looking at for MTL, okay? So wait for this to pull back. Don't go short. Don't short anything. Wait for it to pull back down here, and you take a trade from here to the upside, okay? Wait for this to pull back. You can look at that level of 1.30, okay? Down to that level of 1.299 and thereabout. That's areas you should be looking at taking trades to the upside for MTL, okay? So for Robinson, that's what I personally will be looking at, okay? Thank you all. Thank you for all you do. Please, I want to long on my phone, but I see not to understand. I've watched your video on that. Like my own interface is different from you. Which of the exchange are you using? Is it the bybit exchange? Why will your interface be different? Is it bybit you're using? Benga, is it bybit exchange you're using? What exactly are you using bybit? If it is bybit, the interface should not be different. Okay, the interface shouldn't be different if you come from us. If you're using bybit, because except you're using an older version of the app. Okay. All right. Yeah, guys, for those of you who want to learn, okay, there are no two ways about it. It's that you pay for it, okay, or just sign up with my link and get these trainings for free. All right, sign up with my link and get these trainings for free. I'm not asking for too much, am I? I'm not asking for too much, guys, okay? Sign up with my link, fund your account, and get the trainings for free. But if it is bybit, okay, Benga, just let me know on the chat. If it is bybit, you're into the link, the interface is if it is Binance, okay, except you have not seen that video, all right? Binance gives you by default, you're always on the light mode, okay? That's why the interface is different, okay? By default, if you are with your Binance app right now, open the app, okay? Go to the top left, right? On the top left of your app, there is an icon, that is your profile icon, like a head icon. If you click on that icon, you'll see a drop down, okay? When you see a drop down, you will see where it says, you will see a toggle that says Binance Pro, toggle to Binance Pro. By default, you'll be on Binance, what's it called? By default, you'll be on the light Binance app, okay? They have a pro version and then they have a light version. So by default, you'll be on that light mode. So when you toggle that icon, you go down to where you see that Binance Pro, you toggle that option, okay? Just toggle it on. Your interface should look exactly like the one I used in that tutorial. Okay, it should look exactly like the one I used in that tutorial. Then you can now follow step by step how to enter long, how to enter short, and all of that. Is it spot trading you're looking at or futures trading? Okay, if you are looking at futures trading, there is equally another setting on the futures trading interface. All right, by default, if you are just using the is it beginner version or whatever, the interface will equally be different. All right. and all of that. So on the feature setting, you only have additional setting where you need to go to setting preferences and set it to advanced mode. Once you set it to advanced mode, you should be able to see, where you can set your stop loss, your take profit, and all of that. All right. So do that right now. When you have switch that, if it is on Binance Pro already, then it means that my interface and yours are the same. Okay, do that right now. Let me know if it works. If it works, then you should be able to go back to that tutorial and look at it again. Okay. Then if it is for futures trading, I think I've not done any video on that. For futures trading, you need to. There are three icons, three dot or three line. Once you click on futures on Binance. Okay, you want to click that icon and then you see where you say preferences. Okay, I can't really wrap my head around it except I'm start looking at that and all of that. So you need to switch to the pro version for you to be able to get access to all of that, guys. Okay, so wait for this to pull back and you take a trade to the upside for MTL. Okay, for MTL, that's basically what I'm looking at, guys. Okay, smash that like button for me, guys. Smash that like button for me and let's do it. All right, smash that like button for me and let's do this. Okay. So for Link, if you're entering a market order, you should be in profit already, but I just set a limit at that one, 8 point whatever. Okay. Let's see how that will play out, guys. Let's just wait patiently for that to play out. And yeah. Okay. What other token are you looking at again, guys? Smash that like button for me, all right? What other token do you want to trade today? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. What other token do you want to trade, guys? What other token do you want me to trade to look at for you? What other token do you want me to look at for you? Let me know. Okay, guys. Now, one quick tip before we call it a day. One quick tip before we call it a day. If you do have some money, for those of you who are new in crypto, okay, day trading is just to keep us going, pay our bills, our day-to-day bills, and all of that. But those who make money in crypto are not those who are learning how to trade right now. Okay, those who make money in the bull run in crypto are those who start preparing right now, and the time is not late yet, guys. Okay, it's not late yet. You can start preparing right now and start buying some tokens. There are a lot of tokens, okay, which I post on, the community that share on WhatsApp and all of that. Look at a particular token that you can put your money into. Okay, we are looking at Link at $8 right now, right? Okay, this is MTL. Link is equal and good token that you can invest in, but this one is a bit high. Actually, it's $1 plus. Okay, let me even do Gala. Gala is a token that I feel you should invest your money into right now, because the next bull run, if this is not a financial advice, guys, so that you don't come and arrest me tomorrow when it doesn't play out well that I was the one that asked to buy Gala. But the thing is, the truth is, okay, those who will make money in the next bull run are those who start preparing right now, okay? So it's not just about futures trading and all of that. Look at Gala right now, guys. Look at Gala right now. Look at Gala right now, guys. And then the all-time high for Gala was what? The all-time high for this token is somewhere around that 84 cent, right? Yeah, 84 cent. And currently we are at 0.015, okay? 0.015. So you can imagine you putting $100 into this token right now. So let me do the calculation quickly for you. If I go to my spot trading and say I want to buy Gala, okay, let's do quick calculation here. So I want to buy Gala what $100 at 0. What's the current price? The current price there is 0.14, right? 147, 0.0147. 0.0147. If I want to buy Gala right now, and then we hope that, okay, the next run, all right, let's say we don't even get up to that 84 cent. We come up to this 50 cent level, all right? We come up to this 50 cent level. So let me quickly do that calculation for you. Sorry, I cannot share the screen, okay? But I will just tell you what you should be expecting if you do take advantage of these guys. I'm just giving you an instance, okay? I'm not saying go and buy Gala. I'm just giving you an instance. There are other tokens you can put your $100. So when you hear people say, no, I put in $25 and it's now $100,000, I put in $100 and it's now $200,000 and all of that, okay? The time they start preparing is now. Crypto are in circles, all right? So we'll have the bearish time, the period and all of that. And then we'll have the bullish time and all of that. So everybody's projecting that, oh, if the Bitcoin ETF is approved, the next Bitcoin halving and all of that, okay? Stuff like that. So if you start preparing, so let's say we put in $100 right now for Gala, that should give us around 66, right? 6,605 of those tokens. 6,605 of those tokens. Now let's say you manage to sell these 6,000 tokens at 50 cents. Okay. Let's say we manage to sell it at 50 cents. So when this goes to 0.05, all right, you go ahead and sell that 6,000 tokens. Okay, that will be worth over 3,300, right? 3,300. That's basically how people make money, all right? It's not just about let's say you have $1,000 you want to start trading, okay? Set part of that money aside that you can start using to build up your portfolio, okay, in the spot market and all of that. Even while you are trading futures, okay, when you make money, set out some money, okay? This is a business, all right? This spot trading is one aspect of the business. P2P trading is one aspect of the business. Build your business, guys. Build your business. Start building your bags right now. Start building your portfolio right now. That time, okay, you will definitely, when that time finally comes, you definitely, when the bull run actually finally happens, you will definitely enjoy from whatever you are going to put in right now, guys. Okay, not a financial advice. Do your research. Do your research so that you don't come and start haunting me that, oh, you said I should buy Gala. No, I did not say that. I did not say that. Okay, thank you for all you. I think I've answered that. Okay, Tony, welcome. Tony, it's been a while. Tony, it's been a while. Where have you been? Haven't seen you for a while. BLZ, USDT. BLZ, USDT. BLZ, what am I looking at? BLZ is currently trading at 15 cents. Okay, so yesterday I was looking for BLZ to come down to that level, which it didn't. Okay. So currently for BLZ, we rejected at that 16 cent level. So I have this, okay? You see that the Fibonacci retracement or this golden level that is drawn here, okay, by this indicator, aligns, okay, the 4 hours, the 1 hour time frame, or they both align together here, right? And then what I'm looking for BLZ is a long setup. Okay, though BLZ is a bit bearish, okay, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours, all of these levels are bearish except for the 12 hours and the daily time frame. All right. And but basically what I look at for BLZ is I want to see a rejection here to the upside. Okay, I want to see a rejection at that 15 cent level, 0.151, 152 to the upside. All right. If with this level here doesn't hold, okay, if this level doesn't hold, then we can come back to that support level at 0.147. All right. For Tony, if you are looking to take this trade, this is personally what I'll be looking at. Okay. What I'll be looking at for. So my long setup for BLZ will be here. Right. So my first entry will be there. Right. And then I'll take it up to that $16 level. So that's basically what I look at for. All right. In case this doesn't hold, then we go back to that 14 cent level. All right. In case this doesn't hold, we go back to that 14 cent level. That's where I'll be looking to take a trade to the upside. So I'll pay attention to this. Okay. I'll pay attention to this to play out. And, basically that's what I'm looking at. Okay. Even when you see these buy and sell signals, guys, the way I use this indicator is I only take the buys when I see that, this resistance level, or when I see that support level, all right? And then the resistance level and the support level are on the 1 hour time frame, are based on the 1 hour time frame, okay? I do my trading on 5 minutes, but I use my levels on the 1 hour time frame to do that, all right? So I want to see a rejection from this Fibonacci retracement tool that has been automatically drawn for me, here, then I can take a trade to the upside. All right. That's what I basically be looking at for BLZ. But if you want to risk it, okay, you just see that I just got a signal here, and then the oscillator, though, is not up there at the overbought level. We are just at the middle band here and all of that. So I'm not going to take that. I'm not going to risk it. Wait for it to come down here, and we'll take a trade to the upside. All right. That's basically what I'll be looking at for BLZ. Tony, that's what I will be looking at for BLZ. So if you want to trade BLZ, go ahead and do that, guys. All right, guys, smash that like button for me. All right. And if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe. Okay. Click on the subscribe button. Join me on Telegram. And if you like this setup, okay, this indicator is actually good. I had to pay for it because I've just run this for a while. All right. It doesn't lag. Okay. It doesn't repaint. All right. And all the signals you see are in real time. Okay, we have the Fibonacci retracement tool, okay, actually embedded into this, which will automatically draw that for you. We have, the moving averages drawn integrated into this one indicator for you. So if you want to use moving average, if you are a moving average trader, you can use that. Okay, it has been set up on this. You have, let me even go ahead and open up the settings to show you that, guys. Okay, trend lines is called Easyago. The link is in the video description. Okay, you see all of this setup, all right? A lot of confluences here to actually help you. So I had to turn off some of these things because I cannot use all at the same time, right? So just check out the link on my favorite indicator, okay, in the description of this video, and then buy the indicator if you want. It's a monthly stuff, okay? It's a monthly subscription stuff, so you can try out the first month. You can always cancel your stuff, all right, whenever you want. Try the first month. If it doesn't work for you, then, but definitely, most especially for beginners, this will give you a lot of guide. If you don't know how to draw support and resistance level, the indicator will do that for you automatically. If you don't know how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, the indicator will do that for you automatically. If you don't know moving averages, combination of moving average to use, okay, I equally have the volume profile integrated into this, all right, into this one singular indicator. So the indicator is actually worth it, right? The indicator is actually worth it, guys. All right. So my sole trade is still running, and I have a pending trade for LPT link. Sorry, I have a pending trade for link. That's what I'm looking at. Oh, I missed that, guys. I would have entered with market order. Link is still dropping massively. Link is still dropping massively. I would have entered with market order. But anyways, my limit order is still pending. If we do grab that level, then we can take it down. But for link, I do have two setup, right? That is for the short. And I told us if it gets down to this level here, let me show you quickly, link USDT. So if we miss the short entry, which is this one going down here already. Okay, if we miss that short entry, pay attention to this level, right? Pay attention to this level. But I want to feel that link can actually reject this level as in break this level below, okay? Break this level below. If we do break that level below, then I can be looking at this next level here. But for link, maybe around this area here down here. 7.9, you can be looking for long setup, okay, 7.9. But I want to see respect, this level here by coming down to 7.7, 7.6. Okay, that level of 7.7, 7.6 is where I should be looking to take link, right, to the upside. Okay, yeah, link to the upside. Let's see how that will play out, guys. Let's see how that will play out, guys. Solana, Sol is actually doing the opposite. I mean, shorted Sol. All right, nice, doing the opposite. Yeah, I still have another trade to pick at 25, right? Yeah. $25, I will short Sol at $25 level and all of that. So let's look at Sol. I entered short earlier this morning. Sol USDT, yeah. Okay, I have another pending trade at 24.7. Okay, yeah, 24.7 there. I have another pending trade. So if this continues to go up, I want to pick, okay, I want to short here again. And then maybe my average will be somewhere around there so that when it starts coming down, I'll take trades to the upside. But for Sol, I'm looking at this area down here, okay? I'm looking at this area down here. I need to see Sol come back down to that area for me to take a trade to the upside, okay? I need to see Sol come back down to that area for me to take a trade to the upside. So if we do get to that 24.7, I'll take a short trade, and then another one at $25. Okay. If we do get to $25, I will take a short trade. But I want to see Sol reject from here and then coming down, then we can start taking trades to the upside. All right. I'm doing something that is actually against the trend. As you can see, my trend dashboard is showing green. So I'm going against the trend. But yeah, let's just see how that plays out. Okay. Let's see how that plays out. But if we do break this level, guys, okay, if we do break above this level, anything around this $25 level should be taken. Maybe we'll break and then come and use this level now, this resistance level as a support area. Then we can be taking trades to the upside. That's basically what I'll be looking at for Link. For Solana, sorry. So let's break above this level, and you know, I want to see something like this. Go up and then turn this to a support, and then I can start taking looking for trades to the upside. All right. So we just got yeah, that's basically what I'll be looking at for trades to the upside, guys. For sure. Let's see how that will play out. Okay. Break above this level, take a trade there, and then we take a trade to the upside from here. But if we do come back down, then we can look at taking a trade to the upside down there. So let's wait for that to play out. Okay, let's wait for that to play out and see. Let's see how far this bullish. Okay, so what I can do right now is to edge this market. Okay, edge this trade. I'm going to long as well. Let's see how that will play out. Okay, so what else do you want me to look at, guys? Let me know on the chat, okay? Any token you want me to look at, guys, before we call it a day, let me know on the chat. Whatever token you want me to look at, let me know on the chat. Okay, guys, I'll call it a day here, okay? I've had my setups, and then I, have areas where I want to take trades, put stop losses. With that, I don't need to be on the market throughout the day, okay? So anyone that hit my stop loss, good. Anyone that hit my take profit, good, and all of that, guys, all right? Okay, so guys, as always, okay, don't trade everything in the market, right? Do not trade everything in the market. Just trade what your strength can carry. Pick a particular token, stick to it, and look for more of long trades. Okay, avoid short trades. I just gave you a reason why. Okay, I told you that USDT dominance, you see that it's still coming down, right? Yeah, when we looked at it this morning, it was 7.6. Okay, right now it's 7.5%, 59%. So in as much as the USDT dominant keep coming down, all right, everything in the market will keep going up. BTC will go up, and as BTC is going up, every you can see BTC right now at 28,300. Okay, so in as much as the dominance keep dropping, everything in the market will be going up. Okay, so be looking for more of long trades than short trades. All right, that's basically what I'll be leaving you with. Be looking for more long trades than short trades, except if eventually we see something like this. Okay, if the USDT dominance finally maybe rejects from here and then start going up, that is when you see BTC and the rest start dumping. All right, but in as much as this is coming down, okay, if we continue to come down, I'm looking at a level down here, all right, at that 7% level, or even down to that 6.8% level and all of that. But for now, as much as this keep dropping, BTC will continue to pump. Okay, BTC will continue to pump. So use this as a guide and then take decisions, make decisions that will profit you in the market. Thank you so much for being here with me. I love you guys. Do have a profitable week ahead, and I'll see you. For those of you who have signed up with my bybit link and all of that, just send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll add it up, okay, to the WhatsApp platform where you will join us this evening when we'll be having our meetings, okay, and our trainings. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later.